History of the English Language and Literature. Unit 8, 8.2.5 हम पढ़ेंगे. The present day English language 21st century. The present day English PDE is the most received and standard variety of English in practice globally. Today there are different opinions about the exact period towards which the term present day English reference in the English language regularly. The period after the 1960 in the history of the English language of conversation is termed as the present day English period. PDE markable as quoted in the difference section. Tally class PDEs the will smart ma, ma, mart of language conversation. Hooks had to avoid superficially friendly and driving all received in its agreement to expand meaning by that has English has grow to the to the level of adding important on the level of need in communication, trade, commerce, and academic with creative purpose as will they say of being in any and every professions. Today today is dependent on the ability of that person to communicate in English, which remains an uh, undeniable fact. English being the most widely spoken language and the chief language of trade, trade, com, com, trade and com, commerce. One might not afford to keep this language away from one's when business the global gains in business and in every field of life where language play an important role have adopted his language for their conversation English because of its contact and very strong relationship with other language in the early phase of modernization has created a platform to deal with each and every problem from the linguistic point of view. There is literature in English translated from almost all languages of the world and vice versa. In fact, English has become a link language that connects peoples speaking different languages. We have seen the growth and development of this language from the Middle English period to the modern and from modern to the present day. The hook and varied vocabulary, most analytical grammar, syntax, semantic precision, and up-to-date style has created such a arresting impression that people have no other option for for their survive linguistically in is a common belief. This language has become as integral parts of the forms colonies of Britain even after their im- independence in countries like the United States, Aus- Australia, Canada, South Africa, and even in India. This language has a very important place in the administration and in day-to-day life when it comes to the difference in speech pronunciation and to some extent in vocabulary. This language has countless dialects in different regions of the world. Or when we talk of the global status of the English language, English is the first language in most of the countries. Reference to earlies, but the way it is spoken and written is not similar. Even the words and their meanings differ from one place to another. These differences according to the sources they have been borrowed or derived from most of the words in Australia. English are borrowed from the ab- Aboriginal language. The same is the situation with English spoken in New Zealand. Most of the words have been taken from the local language meant Hurricane, hence it is not often easy to understand such culture specific words used by the speakers of English from these countries. Men were the most multilingual continent on Earth is African. This region was occupied by many other before the British language of the early invalids like the Bush Venture, Portuguese and Dutch have left a permanent mark in their newly adopted language English. This variety of South Africa English has become general and many words from this variety have become English words. But in the West and East African countries, which were once the colonies of Britain, but now they are independent countries like like Ghana, Nigeria, Leone, Kenya, and Uganda. English is spoken with their one language mostly as a second language, but English English is English is the official language in these con- conti in these countries. Even when we talk of the difference in standard English dialects, global like that in American and in British English, there are differences within one country. An example called B suggest of Negroes, where the local language like Igbo, Europe, and host the local language have contributed equally in creating a Nigerian equivalent of English. The sum in the situation in India, we have English, Hindi, English, Tang, English, Tamil English, and English, Marathi English variant. We see the visible influences of local language of English based this South Asian variety of English language has also been developed. This variety also occupied many words from local language, showing the complex cultural and social political issues prevalence in the area. The status of the English language in the international centers like that of Singapore, Malaya, Malaysian, and Hong Hong Kong in the Pacific region also perseveres its identity under the influence of local local dialects of Chinese, Maha, Mandarin, Malayalam, and other languages in a unique way. English occupied a primary place in Hong Kong and Singapore much earlier, but it took comparatively more than will having that some place in Malaya's some why the Caribbean countries like Panama, Gangas, Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad, and Tobago also face problems eroded out of the multi-language situation. Ja- ja- Jamaican Creole could be taken as an example in this regard. The goes in considered as an independent language, but it is a uh, pid, p, pd, pidgin created created out created out of the language local and English learning outcome. One completion of the study of this unit, it is expression that you are informed will in the history and development of the English language during the modern and present day English period. You should have a concentrate idea about what the term modern and present day English implied. You should be familiar with the different varieties of English in the modern and present day English. At the end of this unit, you should be aware of the development of English in the contemporary times.